Hey guys, welcome back to image processing tutorial. This is episode number 4, and today we're gonna see how to read and write an image from an image file. Basically that's gonna be C++ programming. We're gonna enter to the core of C++ programming, and basically we'll split this tutorial into part 1 and part 2 because we don't want have time to read and write this file because um, there will got be some lot programming out there. So the image formats that we're gonna use are ppm format, ppm format, is the ppm format and pgm format. Those are the formats that we're gonna use because those are the basic formats. We could use jpeg or png, those things could be used, but what the problem is for as a starter, when we want to start something like image processing, and we are learning it, so those things have a lot of compression, those things encoding, those things come. So when we want to read a file simply, even that reading this file, ppm and pgm files make it more ugly. Yeah, for them it makes too ugly. So I thought we'll take the most easy one, means most simple one. This is the crude form of image that we discussed earlier. We discussed this is a binary image, so basically it contains only black and white pixels, pure black and pure white. So it has got a header, and this is the magic number p1, and it has got the file name, and it also has got something like this. This is the dimension 24:7. Basically this image is 24:7, and it has, what is it written here? I think FEEP. Yeah, FEEP is written here, FEP. If you look closely, look, this is EF. Yeah, this is FEEP. FEEP is written there in pure black and white. That's what it done here. And another external, there are more things about this. There is plain PBM and normal PBM. Plain PBM is file where you can have only one image in a file. And this normal PBM could have more image data in a file. So that's different, doesn't matter. That's, we need not consider that. We just saying that. And something next one is PGM. PGM is a grayscale. There is a small difference in header with PBM. There is one more parameter. This parameter represents the number, like the maximum value of white. It's the white pixel corresponds to which value. Basically this is in 4-bit image, so it has the white value maximum value as 15, means 4-bit 16, 0 to 15 there are 16 bits, 16 numbers, there are 4 bits, so it's 4-bit image, maximum value is 15. So we say 15 is the white, then it will arrange the values from 0 to, and 0 means the black to white, and make it 15 parts, and for each pixel value it put us that value. So that gray value. So that is what gray PGM corresponds for. And one more is that's PPM. So that is the color image. It has 3 values, something like RGB. So that's it. It has same format, header format as of PGM, but its data vary in different way because earlier for PBM and PGM, for a pixel a data value represented a pixel, but here 3 values represent a pixel, R, G, B. These 3 values represent a pixel, so a bit complicated, but we'll be reading this PPM and PGM for today's tutorial. Yeah. That's all for that's basic introduction of the formats that we want to read, so that we will dive into the programming. So this is where we stopped last tutorial. We want to do something like we want to start a new class. Class, its name should be image, what is it, processing. Bingo. So we got to have some member variables out here. It should be, one should be holding number of columns. Which one is the column? So we'll check it out. This one. This first one is the columns, second one is the number of rows. Number of columns, number of rows. Oh, I'm sorry. And there is high value, corresponds the corresponding white value, and there is total number of pixels because we won't be using total number of pixels throughout the operation in our image tutorial, sorry, image processing tutorial. So we want to make it public. Where is it? Public. Then in public we say int number of columns. We just copy this and control V magically do it for us. Oh man, last one I didn't have to do that. Define rows, number of bands. So basically this bands corresponding to the ppm and pgm image, because for a ppm image there are 3 bands RGB. For a pgm image there is only 1 band, that's grayscale, or even for pbm is only 1 band. So just neglect it. So for this one is should be the high value. High value. Oh, what's that? Oh, I'm pressing the caps lock continuously in my bad. And we have the image data after that, isn't it? This is the image data. So we'll do something like this. Basically this image data is a positive value, not is positive. This image is positive values. So we have unsigned characters because we are reading characters from a file, so we can help it, we can put it as int, it will be as characters. So it is unsigned character, and unsigned character, what it will be, we'll just give it as a name image because it's image data. Now that's all for the member variables. Basically that's image headers, and we got to have function. Now we say today we are with this part we are doing with the reading image. So void read image, we will be storing those values to this variable image headers. So we should be giving from some file name to read. So that's we say we have to say car, it must be a string, so arc, that's fine. So I think that's pretty good. You just close that, and we got to define function, the class that we function. Basically we have to define the function that we declared in this header file. So its name is void image processing and read image, and basically we have and arc, and the we start. So we got to read from a file. For reading from file we got to use the file operations. For that you need include cstdlib, because that's the old C header file stdlib. That's we are using cstdlib. That's the convention in C++. So basically this is in pure C++ program. It's using C header files. I'm using a lot of it. So we say file and some file pointer. That makes sense. So we got to read it. File pointer equal to fopen. We got to open the file, and the name of the file is arc first one, because basically arc0 is the command itself. Because suppose we are giving let's show you guys main dot pdf. Basically this is the arc of arc1, this is arc0. So that's the way convention we use. So we can use arc0. We have the file name is in arc1, we will specify that in main file. So this is it, and we got to say we have to read for a binary format, we want to read it. So that's it. And suppose if we couldn't read that one, if fp in equal to null, because that's where we use that 0 for the object, null object. If it is a null object, then we say, oh, you entered in the wrong territory. We say such a file does not exist. Yo, yeah, that's it. And we say, oh, I'm sorry, I'm exiting it. Yeah, and suppose if that file is exist, because that's not null pointer. In that case, what we do is the whole thing we start. So first we go to read characters. For that we use a character. So string, we want to use a string. Yeah. That basically is a character. So string equal to char star, because that its format is we just it's make beauty. Yeah. yeah. So we say it's color, we allocate memory for that. Basically that's 256, 1. That will be enough. Yeah, we allocate as we put that's a string with all one values. Yeah, that's it. So we start reading. But we have to know whether the reading of the header is over. After reading the header, we will read the data. So we need to know whether reading of the header is over. For that, we'll put some int done reading. We put something like, okay, we put false or darts. No, false. Put something like that, and we'll define here hash define false as 0, and hash define true as 1. Yeah. So while not done reading, yeah, if it is not done, and sometimes even if sometimes that file may be correct. In that case, we might not be able to finish reading with header even before that the file might end. In that case also we just put it as a precautionary character is we have to, for that we need some character. That's when char c, that's it, char c equal to we got to say char and get c from fp in. From there we do it. And is there anything wrong? Yeah, and which is not equal to a null, it is not the end of the file. That is what I meant. While that's okay, in that case we'll start reading the header of the file. Switch case c. If c is p, means this is the case. If it is p, then we have to check which is the next value. If it is 2, then it's a PG image with a plain format, and if it is 6, means like if it is 3 or 6, in that case it's a ppm image. So today we are basically going to read ppm and pgm. So case p, what are we going to do? We want to say, it's p, so I want to read something more. C is equal to car get c efp in. We read it again, and we can do some switch c. Case that's 2. If that is 2, that means we say there's a PGM image. So we got to say the number of bands. I think that's the name I gave there, because the PGM image, it has only one value. Number of bands equal to 1. It has only one band, and because it's ppm plain. Yeah, and we say break. Yeah, and if it is case, we just copy this thing, and the magic of pasting will do the rest for us. Bingo. What was that? What was that? Okay, copy. We just say bingo. We got 4 bingos. Yeah, that's 5, and that's 3 for ppm, and it's 6 for another ppm. No, I put it as ppm. What on the earth I did that? It's pgm. Yeah, pgm, and this is ppm. Yeah, and this is normal one. Normal. This is also normal. So, but for ppm is the number of bands is 3. It's not 1. Fine. So yeah, we done this stuff. Done with the first line, and sometimes what happens is that some of the formats, old formats, might not have this hashtag. They will be having this file name instead in the next line. So in that case, we got to do something like, yeah, we got to say, okay, c equal to char f get c and f begin. We'll get the character if the character c is not equal to new line. For instance, for 0x0a, yeah. Oh, is it? Let's check it out. Is there internet over here? 0x0a, yeah. Oh man, I think the internet is not there. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. What's going on there? Oh man, internet. I'm not. Okay, fine. Yes, just leave it. We'll just leave it here. Suppose if this is not a new line, then I will say, oh, I'm sorry, you are not a new line. You have the hashtag. Like that, we say, oh, then we say, oh, I'm sorry, I'll just put you back there. And it's like, yeah, we just put back the. And suppose if it is new line, that means we have the file name over there. We say again, we'll put back the guy over there, but this time we just we instead going with no hands, we'll just grab the name of the file. f gets is a string and might have maximum of 256 and fp in. So we could actually print that. That's the name. F gets f not f gets file you and there is your man string. That's it. Oh, we just give new line. That's it. So we'll do that. We got the string. That means we got the internet. I'm happy. We got this line to finish. Oh, suppose this is the. In that case, we just do something like this. Let's clear here. Yeah. I think that's what really over the break. And finally we are out of the p case. So now you're gonna see for the hash. This hash is connected to this. If that was not a new line, that means it was this hash. Then we do it here again. We say, yeah, man. We just say something like. Yeah, yes, give the string instead of saying something. F gets string. Come on, we are doing this just because we have to do that. That's that's it. And we say, oh, we came easily out of this one. And sometimes if then we came out of this line, now we go to get these values again. We will check if whether these values are something like some numbers. If that is a number, that means that corresponds to the values of number of columns, number of rows, and high value. So we do something like this. Case 1. Yeah, that must be 1. Case 1 and case 2, case 3. I think we again do the magic of copy. How much one is there? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, only 9 numbers. it was 12, I will put it 12 times. Yeah, let's just okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. In all these cases, that what we do is basically we gonna say we'll say what's it, bingo. We just put that character out at back, this fp in, we just put it back there, then we'll get the f scan. That's basically the c header function. So we just scan the whole three of this I mean those three forgetting that parameters, because we have format as number of columns, number of rows, and high value. We just do something like this: %d space %d space %d, and we say this start. This is the operator for taking the object, because we are directly taking the object of the class that we mentioned the header file. This dot number of columns. Oh, we just copy it again. We use the magic of copy paste. Yeah, the guy who invented copy paste is a really great guy, I have to say that. This is a number of rows, and this is the number of rows. It's just high value. Oh, my bad. High value. We have to scan 3 of these values, and we say we just assign something like total pixels, total number of pixels, total pixels equal to we have to multiply this number of rows star the star number of columns star. What was that? I don't know. Yeah, and this dot high value, not high value, number of bands. Yeah. Oh, number of bands. Back, we got the total number of pixels available there. Now we got to say this, and then we have to allocate. Oh, before that, I forgot one thing. Now we are done with the reading, isn't it? We all done with the reading. So what goes over here? We say and in that case we inputted 3 of these values, and we say we just say okay. We say done reading equal to true. Yeah, we're done with the reading, and we say we have to get the c. So yeah, we just want to get a string like that. That will be the new line. So we say we have a break bingo, and we say that's it, we reached here. Oh man, no, I just delete this thing. Yeah, so that's could be over them. So this dot image, we have to allocate space for this image, not image processing, just image, and basically you should be knowing that's unsigned kya star, and it's malloc. Just keep spacing over and like to be nice and clean code. So this total pixels, so malloc of total pixels, basically it's unsigned character, so 1 into, obviously 1 is meant there, so you don't put the into 1, that's fine. And we go to read the image, so f read. Now we got to read the image. Now I just remind you guys, we are out of this while loop, isn't it? We're totally out of it. Yeah, why I'm still out there? I'm not find it. Case. Oh, I forgot to switch case. No, this basically okay, fine. This is there's no next line. Yeah, that's fine. So we ought to read the image, and basically size of 1 is 1, and the total size is this dot pixels, and it's the total size of it. And we say we use the pointer fp in. So basically we read the thing. That's all. I think we are pretty done here. Supposing we don't have much errors of that, if you are lucky. Okay, fine, we're done here. We ought to do something over here. So basically we came back to our main function. We ought to say we will be having something like argc, because the number of arguments we have, and car, we ought to say what the argument is, arg, so that's a string, and we ought to import the we ought to get an object of it, image processing. Okay, fine, that's an object. And if sometimes if the number of arguments is not correct, we didn't give the argument of the file name, so in that case, but okay, fine, then we'll be doing something like if argc less than 1, or that is equal to 0, because maybe in the future cases it's fine, we just put the maybe 2 arguments come, 3 arguments come. In the future cases, just put less than 1. If it is less than 1, then we say, oh baby, you entered the wrong value. See, error is the I stream already defined here. Yeah, man. So we don't worry. So we say, oh, and the file name, and then command. Oh, we just say the correct format is okay. That's more genuine or general. Okay, fine. Correct format of rendering is dot main, because we are running something like this, and dot main file name dot pgm, or file name dot ppm. That's it. And we say return 0. We just get out of the program, so you have to run it one more time. If he entered the file name, in that case what we will doing is we just call it. Yeah, we say yam dot what was it, read image, and this is what arc. Yeah, just pass it arc itself as in crude format. Yeah, then that's fine. Is there anything we're missing over here? Is everything okay over here? You see, you can put it here also. Yeah, that's fine, and it's okay. I suppose everything goes fine. Oh, I forgot to say std, a standard using it. And sometimes you have to run the script before that. Okay, I have already put in. Oh man, that's oh yeah, look at this. This is image format. This is p5, and basically that is it. That is what it is. So we have to put some test code over there. So you say g++, because every time if there is some error there, I can't just type all those commands one more time. So I just put it in a shell script and run it each and every time I want to run it. So supposing I am in this folder, means image processing folder, we are on processing dot cpp, and I also want to make it an object file. This one commit, then object file src image, src image processing dot again g++, somewhere this its name is main dot cpp, and object name main dot and we make it main, and we just say the object file and we ought to link those files. Main.out and let's say src image pre-processing dot that's it, and we run the script. No, yes, yeah, is after that main s.pgm is that we say test, what's its name, should be test.sh. yeah. Oh, one more thing, just do some clear. I want everything to be clean and clear. Oh, that's fine. Let's run it. Bingo. Sometimes it might go okay. Man. Technical skill, C learning, and image processing. ls is the the test.sh. Hope everything works. Yeah, we got a lot of errors. I'm happy. Yeah, what's that? Member function void image processing. That RB. What was that? What was that? I think that's some we. If kids is not, I think we haven't done something. What was that? Oh man, we forgot the standard. Include C std io. We forgot that. I think everything works now well. Okay, that was slick. What was that? This time less number first. I think we are good. The number of columns. Number of columns. There we did wrong. Fscan. Like if we go and find out what's happening out there. Oh, we forgot a n over there. Yeah. Here also we forgot a n. Columns. Yes. Suppose everything works fine. Okay, we got less number of errors this time. What's that? Int. But argument. Oh man, I forgot. Okay, I got. This should be having something like and. Yeah, old C stuff. I forgot that. Yeah, sometimes it happens because sometimes these companies come. Some of the interviewers they used to ask, "Is there an error over here?" We say, "Oh, it's fine. There's no error. It's just the same." Because but we usually forget this and they say, "Oh, you got it all wrong." But it's wrong here this time. Total pixels. There's no member name. Total pixels. Okay, we'll dig here. Oh yeah, we have it specified it. So total pixels. We figured it again. Okay, fine. Just one standard CRR. CRR is not a member standard. Oh, really? Then we do one thing. Just put it as cout. What was that? Oh, okay. Let me check where did that come from. That come from main. Okay, just put what is main. You just put cout, then it's fine. OUT. That's fine, I suppose. Okay, hello world. Filenet ppm cout. What was that, man? Okay, fine. Okay, anyway, we got it. Okay, cout. Okay, we'll do something like this. Include iostream using name space std. Okay, we'll do something like this. Yeah, hope everything works fine. Yeah, that's it. 500 is that's so we'll do something like this. So basically that is what we're done here. I think we are done here and I got to go. So thank you guys. Love and peace.